about how you connect web service with Windows Store app. So if I have this web service to connect with my Windows Store app, I take this link and I go direct to Windows app and I click here, add reference, I click right and I select add service reference. I wait, I got this form. Here I place my URL and click enter. This will gonna searching about my reference. So let's find it. This is my web service. So this is the new name. It's service namespace. It's service reference. You can change it. So service. I click add. So now he add the web service to my app. To use it, okay. To use this app, I go to first line in my code and I declare from of this type of web service. So it takes some time. If you wait until it's going to finish. So service completed. Okay, that's good. Now this is my service. It's connected with my application. So this is my form. So I click here. This is form and this where is my form? This is the form and this is C# code. First I declare using of this service using what's the name of the project. Name of my project is FL Windows. So I say FL Windows app dot my service name. Okay, now I added my service to my app. So what I need to use, I need to check username and password, and when you click here, display the message. So this is my button, the button that contains the event, and this contains txt user, txt password, this button for a click, and this is label message. So I'm here, I click here and I click button events. Okay, this is my click button events. So I'm here and I write my code. What my code will be? So let me go to, I want to use this one, is exist account. This is exist account, take username and password. Let's search here and look for. So is exist account, take username and password and return a response. So firstly, a great subject on this class. So here I say, what's my web service? I say web service, like I say web service client. So what I name it, web service client, I name it and say call new of web service client, web service sub client. So now I create a new object from the service. Now when I get object from the service, I now want to use some function from the service. Which function I now want to use it? I want to use this function. So this function will return is exist account response. So I define variable type is exist. Sorry, I say is exist account response. This is my return as we show here. Is exist account response. I define the variable. I name it return. So return is equal. I said equal this variable WSC. Which function I want to use it? I want to use which function name here is exist account. So I say is so I say is exist account. Exist account take two inputs as usual, username and password. So I give them txt dot txt let me search here. Choose my, this is my txt user. Let's delete this one. So txt user. It's free. This return here. This name is txt user. So I copy it and go ahead. Add txt user dot text. And what I need another one is txt password dot text. So now I have this password dot text. Okay, great. Now I give him two inputs. So what's this? I must wait the result from this line. Yeah, I waited until it gives me response. So I write await. Await need the function to be asynchronous. So I write here. I must change my function asynchronous to await can work. So now everything is good. So what I need to display the message. Where I display the message? Display message. Return message. Which there is three parameters will return. Return admin ID and error ID and error message. So I need error message. I display it where? I display it here in this label message. So I write label message dot text equal return result dot body dot is exist account. So because my result is exist account result. This is what return. So I have three results: user ID, admin ID, and user ID, and message error, as I see in that message. So I need a message error, and I click enter. So when I run this method, I can get accurate results. So what's the what username I have in database? I have username A and password A. So when I run, I look for username and password A. So she give me some error. I don't know what is the error. Okay, she's the error. Oh, okay, I add some function and delete it. So this function change. Okay, great. Okay, I wait for some time until I get a result. So I hope you understand the structure of calling the functions, because it's so easy. You have response. So I have username. Let me enter wrong username and password. I click Google. I will get error cannot find this record database. So if I say A and A, great, we find the record. So it's good. I hope you understand the idea. So the idea for last thing. First, you add the library. Second, you define it here. Third, you need a great instance from web service with some name it web service swap client. And because here is name it is web service 1, so here will be web service 1 swap client. So next we use the function, define the response. I got a result. Which name the result? Result is exist account response. So I define variable, name it is exist account response RET will be equal to await for what? Web service dot the function. I call the function name as I see the function name is here is exist account. So this account, I send him username and password as I see here. I have username and password. So it will return to me exist account result will be is exist account result as I see will be username, admin ID, and error ID and message. So I will get only the message I display here. Thank you for watching and see you in other